Lost track of your notes in OneNote? Sections showing up in the wrong place? Don't worry. Before you start dragging everything around or panicking, here are quick fixes to get your notebook organized again. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a common OneNote issues, misplaced sections. Whether your notebook sync went wrong or sections landed in the wrong notebook, we will show you the step-by-step methods to restore order. Method 1. Clear OneNote cache. Sometimes local cache corruption causes misplaced sections. To fix it, do these. Close OneNote, navigate to the cache folder. For Windows, the path will be this. Then head to the version, now delete the cache files. Restart OneNote and let it resync fresh copies of your notebook. This often resolves persistent sync conflicts. Method 2. Repair Office installation. If OneNote is a part of Microsoft Office, a corrupted installation can cause sync errors. Open Control Panel, then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click Change, then select Repair, then Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. This reinstalls damaged components without affecting your notebook. Method 3. Force sync the notebook. Sometimes misplaced sections are caused by temporary sync glitches. To fix it, open OneNote, go to the File tab, then click Info. Select View Sync Status. In the list of notebooks, find the one with misplaced sections. Click Sync Now to force synchronization. Wait until the sync completes and check if the misplaced section disappears. Method 4. Restore from backups. OneNote automatically creates backup of notebooks. Go to File, then Options, then Save and Backup. Check the backup folder location. Navigate to that folder in File Explorer. Open the backup file and copy content back into your notebook. This provides a point-in-time rescue if sync errors caused data loss. Method 5. Manually copy or move the misplaced sections. If OneNote cannot place a section, you can manually move it back. Do this. In the notebook list, scroll down to Misplaced Sections. Right-click the Misplaced Section tab. Select Move or Copy from the menu. In the dialog box, choose the correct notebook and section group. Click Move or Copy if you want to keep a duplicate. Verify that the section now appears in the current notebook. Method 6. Check recent edits. Sometimes misplaced sections are simply hidden under recent edits. Do this. Go to History, then select Recent Edits. Select Date Range. Review changes across notebooks. This helps locate content that was moved during sync. Method 7. Merge misplaced sections. Duplicate or overlapping content can be consolidated into one section. To fix it, follow these steps. Open the misplaced section, select the page you want to keep. Right-click and choose Copy or press Ctrl+C. Navigate to the correct section in your notebook. Right-click inside the section and choose Paste or press Ctrl+V. Once all pages are copied, right-click the misplaced section and select Delete to remove it. Method 8. Restore from OneDrive. Deleted or missing section files may still be recoverable from the cloud. Here is what to do. Open your OneDrive account in a web browser, go to the Recycle bin. Look for any deleted OneNote section files. Select the files and click Restore. Return to OneNote and allow it to sync. Check if the restored section appears in your notebook. Method 9. Delete misplaced sections. If the section is empty or corrupted beyond repair, removing it may be necessary. Here is what to do. In OneNote, scroll to Misplaced Sections. Right-click the section you want to remove. Select Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. The section will be removed from your notebook list now. And that's it. Your OneNote sections should now be back where they belong. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech fixes. Still seeing misplaced sections or another OneNote glitch? Drop a comments below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will catch you in the next one.